This is day 1 of a 3-day series where I'll be teaching you how to make 3 different sauces that you can enjoy with your rice, your yam, your potatoes, or whatever it is you choose to. Starting off with the smoked hake sauce, roughly chop up your peppers by hand or use a blender. Please clean your fish well. Pour some palm oil in your pot. Add roughly chopped veggies. Combine thoroughly and allow to fry for 10 minutes. It's been frying for 10 minutes. Add some seasoning, grinded pepper, now, crayfish, and finally some salt, a pinch or maybe 2. And then I'll mix that up. Go with my fish now. I'll add a little bit of water because it's too thick for my liking. Pop the lid back on and let that sit for another 5 minutes and our sauce is ready. It's time to check on our sauce. I think it's perfect. Just turn down the heat. At this point, you can choose to garnish whatever you like. Do that with some green onions. Make sure to aim for the fish, okay? More fish. And another fish.